Yo, yo, yo. So y'all can see we got a new optic in. Bam. What is this? EPS. Not carry. EPS. And 6 MOA dot. Bam. Alright, so if you want to know the specs, go on ahead and pause it right there. Boom. Alright, what's in this bitch? Let's figure out what's in this box, yo. Alright, so Hollow Sun box comes like that. Oh no, I got a lot of Hollow Suns. A few of them. So I've done this before. Take this out, get your warranty. Got some instructions, user manual. Reading is fundamental. Read some fucking books, y'all. A reading rainbow. All right, so let's see. We got instructions, warnings. There's batteries. This is only for MRS, so not this one, but cool. So basically they make one manual for all the EPSs. Bam, easy peasy. Silica, keep stuff dry, put it in your ammo. Got some screws, you like screws? Cleaning cloth, wipe your lens. More screws, look, screws loose. Let's see, adjustment tool. Adjust your shit. What else is here? More screws. These ones got Loctite on them. I think they all got Loctite on them. All right, the pre-Loctite screws is fucking awesome too. Even though Loctite's cheap, but, and then here is the optic. This is the front view. If you see this side, it's probably pretty bad for you. This is the side you look through. Boom. Oh, all right. And then it's got this thing on it. I don't know what to do. What do you do with this? You take that off. Okay. So you got the ARM SC or Hollow Sun K footprint. Bam. But if you have a RMR cut, it comes with this free plate. I don't know. I've heard these plates are hit or miss. I prefer direct mount. Fuck this plate. Plate pack. But I guess it goes on like this or something. And then you go bing. Let's see what this shit looks like. I wonder if the battery's in there. I don't see no battery. How you turn this thing on? Maybe you just the light. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. Nope. Twist that, twist that. Dang, this thing's got like magnet. It's like magnetic. Couple more turns. Alright. Oh, maybe this is easier. Man, bro. Okay. Don't be stupid. Pull the drawer. And so there's a battery. So this says, warning. Looks like you gotta put the plus side on the top. So the battery's in there backwards. So if your battery ain't backwards. But anyways, so we're gonna get this back in there somehow. This thing's low-key kind of hard to put in. Alright, but that's because I'm like slow. Is you slow? I have my slow moments. Now that that's on, cool. Screw that in tight, but not too tight. You don't want to strip that. Alright, so now let's see how we can turn this on. Momentarily either press plus or positive to turn on the sight. Momentarily. Oh, there it is. There it is. Oh, that's nice. Oh yeah, bro. That's pretty nice. It's really kind of bursty at that setting, but I just wanted to make sure you guys could see it. Now the question is, what gun do I put it on? What the fuck do I put it on? So like I said, this thing got a RMSC mount. It comes with some plate that I threw to adapt it to RMR. I don't know. I'll probably start with an RMR until I get something that's specifically milled for this, because there's nothing wrong with changing things later on. So yeah. Thanks for tuning in. Oh, you can see like the little emitter down there. It's crazy. It's fucking bright though. The thing is nice. Anyways, I appreciate y'all tuning in, watching me struggle with this shit. This shit was stupid, or it's not stupid, but this thing is pretty cool. Let's see. So now you can just clean it by like wiping it like that, instead of trying to get all up in there and getting around the cracks and crevices and finding all your pubic hairs and belly button lint. Freaking old Mike and Ike stashed up in the open emitter optic. But anyways, I appreciate y'all tuning in. Stay on the lookout. We're gonna do a couple more reviews once I get this installed on something, and we're gonna go take it to the range and zero it, and I'm gonna carry it a few and I'll give you a more in-depth review about it. But right now, this is just an unboxing. Appreciate y'all. Make sure you always like, share, and subscribe. Grip, aim, and squeeze that thing. Peace.